Hi guys, thank you for watching Dreams 3 Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. This is Chappy. Today we're going to do the fourth in the Yoga for Absolute Beginners series. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I put up new material every week. And you can also check out my website at dreams3studio.com. That's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to begin in child's pose. So go ahead, come over into your tabletop position. And scoot your butt back towards your feet. Reach forward and bring your forehead down to the mat and close your eyes. Begin to focus in on your breathing. And if you'd like to set an intention for your practice, you can do that. Something you can bring your mind back to if it starts to wander. Maybe something positive you can bring forward with you into the rest of your day. And on your next inhale, go ahead and take the hands and walk them both over to the left corner of your mat. Getting a stretch into the right side of the body. Inhale the hands back to center, and then walk them over to the right side of the mat. Just pausing here for a breath or two. And walk the hands back to center. Now we're going to come back up into your tabletop position. Take the right hand out to the side, and we're going to thread the needle. So take your hand, come underneath, bring the left elbow down, and just bring your head down to the floor. Breathing space into that shoulder. On an inhale, bring the arm back up and put it down. Now you're going to do the left side. Take the left hand out, bring it through underneath. Right shoulder, or right elbow down. And breathe. Inhale back up. Bring the left arm out and put it down. We're going to do a quick cat and cow. So inhale the stomach down and exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. One more. Inhale down. Exhale up. And come to a neutral spine. We're going to tuck the feet, push back into your first downward dog. So if you're a little stiff, that's okay. You can get some pedaling in with the feet. Remembering to hinge at the hips as you shoot them towards the back of the mat. And on your next inhale, look in between your hands. Step to the front of the mat. Halfway lift. And come back down. Grab each elbow and just hang. You're just letting gravity pull you down in ragdoll. Leave a micro bend in the knees. And on your next inhale, bring the hands down to the mat. Halfway lift again. Rise all the way up into tall mountain. Hands to heart center in prayer. Do one let go. So on an inhale, think let. On an exhale, open your mouth and think go. Just let it go. Now we're going to take Sun Salutation A, modified. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale down, forward fold. Halfway lift, forward fold. Step back into plank. Drop your knees. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pausing here for a moment. And then inhale the right leg up in three-legged dog. Look in between your hands, step it forward into high lunge. You can either frame the knee as you come up, or feeling strong, all the way up, crescent lunge. Now spin the left foot parallel with the back of the mat, opening up into Warrior Two. Always make sure that you have your knee going out towards the pinky toes. Make sure you can see the big toe. Now straighten the front leg. You're going to take your hand, you're going to hinge forward a little bit, and just windmill down towards the side of the leg, the ankle, or the foot. And look up at the hand above you in triangle. If this is too much on either leg, you can always step in the back foot a little. Inhale back up. Spin the right foot forward, 5-pointed star. And spin the left foot towards the back of the mat, Warrior Two. Cartwheel the hands down to frame the foot. Step back into plank. Take your vinyasa, so chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Pause here for a breath. We're going to do the other side. Inhale the left foot up. Three-legged dog. Look between your hands. Step forward. Come up into lunge. You can either frame the knee or just come straight up. Crescent lunge. Don't forget to breathe. On your next inhale, spin the right foot parallel with the back of the mat. Open up into Warrior Two. Gazing over the left fingers. Inhale back up, straighten the front leg. Hinge forward a little bit. Look up at the right hand. Triangle pose. Rise back up. Come into 5-pointed star. Shift to Warrior Two, back to the front of your mat. Cartwheel the hands down, frame the foot. Step back into plank. Take your vinyasa, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. And you can come down into child's pose. Just scoot back and bring the arms to the sides this time. Bringing the mind back to the intention you set for your practice. On an inhale, push back up into tabletop and push back up into down dog. Look forward, maybe take a little hop, or you can just step. Just hop forward and come down onto the bum. I'm going to face forward so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take an easy twist. Take the left arm around the knees and wrap. Reach behind with the right arm and look behind you. Rotating at the shoulder. Inhale back to center. Wrap the right arm around. Reach behind with the left hand and look behind you. Inhale back to center. going to come into a diamond shape, kind of like a butterfly, but a little further out. So take your feet out further than you would in a butterfly position. Inhale up tall and exhale forward, bringing the head down towards the heels just as much as you can. I apologize for the dog panting. Inhale yourself back up to center. Use your hands and pull the knees in. Go ahead, turn to the side. With control, roll down to your mat with your head on the dog if you're me. Let's scoot down a little so you guys can see me. Pick up your feet. Grab the sides of your feet or the sides of your legs and roll back and forth in happy baby. Bring the knees together. Reach up, give yourself a big hug because you did awesome. And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Feel yourself begin to relax from the top of your head, across your chest, your stomach, your hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet, all the way down. Feel yourself heavy against the floor and how you are supported by the earth and you are safe. On your next inhale, begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach overhead for a big stretch and roll over to one side in the fetal position. Stay there for a moment. Using your hands, push yourself back up into a comfortable seat in the center of the mat and float your eyes shut one more time. Scan the body, see how it feels differently when you began your practice. And thank yourself for coming to the mat today, taking the time to do something good for you. You can bring your hands to heart center and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you guys next time.